Welcome to the AbundaCulture channel. The Bible provides pathways to abundance. God is pleased when we succeed abundantly and share generously. AbundaCulture uses the family homestead as a platform to provide 5 basic needs: affordable housing, renewable energy, clean water, healthy food, and safe sanitation. Thanks for joining us. Be sure to check out our AbundaCulture.org website and download our free training manual. Hello. Today we'd like to talk to you about the AbundaCulture training manual. It took us about 50 years to develop those ideas. About 20 years ago, I wrote a book called The Noah Project. It was the precursor to what became the AbundaCulture training manual. We wanted to offer it to you at no charge. We think it's a good read and that you might enjoy it. We would love to have your critiques and your ideas. Thank you very much.
La la la, la la la. For we're all in a master plan. Though the things we do are just grains of sand, when these things are touched by the master's hand,